Hi everybody! My new book is coming this year in October. Yay! For 2 years, more than 2 years, I've been working on this cookbook every day and night. I had to do this. Now, just all my fruit, all my recipes are coming. This book is very huge, much bigger than my first cookbook. 150 recipes. That's why the title of this book is Mangchi's Big Book of Korean Cooking. I focused on user-friendly. I just thought about you. Anybody who already know about Korean cooking or beginner, I never heard about Korean cooking but I want to learn. All of you guys can learn. I try to make the user-friendly book. At the beginning of that book, you will see the big, huge section of grocery shopping. I'm following Mangchi, or Mangchi is right next to me. It's kind of a book I wanted to make. Oh, my friends will come over this weekend. We are going to have a big party. Mangchi has any party food idea? So, of course, I have a party food section. And, barbecue, Korean barbecue, meat section, any delicious seafood, you can come and read this. Lunchbox, Korean doshirak. I can make that whole one book because I used to make this lunchbox for my family decades. I want to hear that all you guys are happy when you make this food. If you pre-order my book and you are going to get some gift. Korean grocery store shopping list. You can print or put it on your phone. It's going to be very useful in Korean grocery store. It's a Korean, English, and Romanization. Very concise word there. What to choose, where to go. Anybody all around the world, you pre-order my book and you come to www.mangchi.com/big. You will see the all information about how to get the gift. So if you already pre-ordered, don't forget your receipt and then you can claim this there. And also there will be limited number of signed book available. My website has a list of the bookstore where you can find my signed book. But be sure this is a limited number. I already finished my signature. When I signed on each book, I just give them all you guys happy cooking, happy cooking. First come, first served. So just hurry up. I'm so excited about this book. Even, all the people who surround me, my publisher, writer, all the agent, everybody helping me. All together, we just work so hard. I really want to see that you guys are using my recipes and then just living your happy life with my cookbook. Okay, see you next time.